everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, Control Z Electronics. So I would also wish to welcome you, and you also have to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that we move on as a team. So today we want to do two-way switching system, very simple two-way switching system for fluorescent lamp system. So I wish to introduce my accessories that I have today, which I'll start with the switches. As you can see, I have one gang two-way switches, which they must be two for it to control the two-way switching system. I also have my cables here. This one will act as the power source, the power intake, and these two will act as the strappers, and the other one will act as the lamp feed. I also have my tools here, the multimeter, which will be measuring the voltage and the dedicated parameters that will be in need of what we will be doing here today. Also have my testers, the pliers, the old model. Also have the lamp starter, which is here. It's just here to start the lamp. I also have the tube, the 4 feet fluorescent tube, which will be emitting the light. I have the housing, the fluorescent housing, the electromagnetic ballast, then I have the casing. Last but not least, I have the power source, which is distributing 240 on a frequency of 50 to 60 Hz. So welcome, feel free and feel welcome. So I'll start by wiring my switches by putting on the strappers. I have to install the strappers first, which line 1 will automatically go to switch to line 1. Start with this line 1 feed. Then the second switch, line 1. Live 2, we go to live 2, the second switch. And this one will act as the lamp feed. So we shall have our power feed, which consists of 2 wires. One will go to the, one will be the neutral, this black one. And the red one will be feeding our switches. So just get it clearly that the neutral will not go to the switches, but it will be feeding the neutral block. So I'm going to the lamp. Directly going to the lamp, just that one there, directly going to the lamp, which in this lamp we have the electromagnetic ballast, this one, which is controlling the power consumption, which is there to feed our tube or that lamp. It's regulating the power. So the live part of this circuit will be connected to feed the ballast. We connect it to the termination block. So the neutral will directly go to the holding part of the lamp system, which is this one. And let me just this way so that you may have it neatly. So this is the power feed, which one will act as the light and the neutral. It's there. So I'll install our lamp starter. This one will be starting the lamp. It's just there to ignite the lamp. Now let me just put on the chasing. Now I think it's the right time. We just put our tube, the 4-feet fluorescent tube, and the holding terminal. Then we squeeze it. We rotate it until it becomes holding in the ends becomes very tight. Now it's the right time to put on our power. And our extension of the power source. Then we see what happens. Automatically it becomes on because the switches were on the on state, and now we can test how these switches act. And the principles of operation of these switches, they are supposed to be working independently. So I can put on off there and come and put on here, or put off here, and then the second switch we put it on, and that's the simple operation of the lamp of the two-way switching system. It's very simple. Now feel free, welcome to our next wiring, which will be based on the wiring of the fluorescent, only the internal part, so that we get to understand each other. Otherwise, thanks.